Hello everyone, this is Kaushal Dhighavkar, sub-editor of Efficient Manufacturing magazine, and right now I have Mr. Sunil Mehta with me. Hello sir.
Hello.
First of all, thank you for joining us sir, and thank you for your continuous support to Efficient Manufacturing. So my first question would be like, what are your views and thoughts about the event?
Yeah, today I could see a very exciting event and the sessions, a lot of informative sessions here in the overall event organized by Efficient Manufacturing. I feel that overall response from the manufacturing industry, MSMEs, is good, and we could see a lot of footprints, and the sessions were more interactive. The one panel discussion and other presentations from various companies, including Lumax, Dassault, Mitsubishi Electric. So they are quite interesting and informative, and the participation from the audience during the sessions was also very nice. So I feel that overall the total event is quite good and interesting.
Thank you, sir. So my next question is, sir, like being a part of such a big organization, Mitsubishi Electric, which is a what we can say a big manufacturing company, a giant manufacturing company. What are your views about the overall Indian manufacturing industry, and what trends are coming in it, and what developments which are required in the manufacturing sector that will bring up India as a manufacturing giant?
Actually, this is a right question. What is happening is that last couple of years, post-COVID, I think a lot of automotive industries, two-wheeler, four-wheeler manufacturers and electrical vehicle manufacturing has been picked up. The people are really have gone ahead with the smart manufacturing, and a lot of investment has gone into that direction, whether it is including automation, necessary software implementation and everything. At the same time, our MSMEs and SMEs are also now getting slowly into that mode, and last couple of years, because they want to compete with the international market, they want to capture the market overseas. So they are implementing various systems which are related with the smart manufacturing, and that's a quite positive way or positive journey which is happening. Whether we call it as Industry 4.0 or smart manufacturing, or the Japanese perspective we called it as e-factory, the investment is going in the right direction, and we have the ecosystem, we have the product suppliers, we are the solution suppliers, and we are the implementers who can work together and work with the end users and understand their real requirements for this, whether it is the quality improvement, productivity improvement, energy management. So all these things are the components of the smart manufacturing, and things are happening in a quite positive way.
Okay, thank you so much, sir, for sharing your thoughts with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.